Hi, my name is Sinan Jabori. I'm a first-year resident at the University of Miami. I learned about this course while I was at the Dallas rhinoplasty, and I was listening to all the talks and came across preservation rhinoplasty, and I had no idea what it is. I'm just starting my residency. I wanted to come to this course and learn about preservation, basically. I think it's an amazing opportunity, honestly, to be able to work with Dr. Davis, Dr. Faraz, and Dr. Toryumi. You know, whenever I used to go to these meetings, I just hear their names all the time. People quote their articles, their papers, and their books. But I think what's really special about this course is being able to have one-on-one interactions with them, really learn years of experience in 2 days, watch the lectures, being able to kind of visualize the concept and immediately apply it on cadavers. There's a ton of cadavers. They're all fresh cadavers. The masters of rhinoplasty are dissecting right in front of us, so we're able to kind of watch and then apply it right on the cadaver. I think it's probably one of the best experiences I've had so far.